Since the start of the Ukrainian counteroffensive, there has been a notable rise in the use of Lancet drones by the Russian military. More specifically, they have been deploying the latest model known as the Lancet III. The Russian Ministry of Defense unveiled a video on April 6, 2023, demonstrating the operational utilization of the Lancet III loitering munition during combat operations in Ukraine. On the other hand, shortly after Russia's invasion of Ukraine on February 23, 2022, the Biden administration declared its intention to deliver numerous Switchblade 600 systems to Ukraine. This loitering munition is commonly referred to as a suicide drone. So, between the US Switchblade 600 and Russia's Lancet III kamikaze drone, which is more outstanding? Let's take a look at the key characteristics of the two competing drones. The Switchblade 600 comprises a single drone that can be conveniently carried in a backpack. In terms of design, the Switchblade 600 closely resembles the Switchblade 300, featuring two foldable tandem wings. The entire system, including the drone, tube launcher, and tablet fire control system, has a combined weight of 120 pounds. The drone itself has an airframe length of 4.3 feet and weighs approximately 50 pounds. Once airborne, they can be directed to descend towards enemy personnel and explode a small grenade-like charge, dispersing shrapnel in a predetermined direction akin to a shotgun spray. Lancet III exhibits a lighter weight in comparison to the Switchblade. The individual soldier version of the Lancet weighs around 11 pounds, with a warhead weighing approximately 2 pounds, while the heavy-duty version weighs 26 pounds, with a warhead weighing about 6.6 pounds. However, the Lancet has a unique aerodynamic configuration known as the double X, a feature not commonly seen in modern kamikaze drones. This design incorporates a dual X-wing design positioned in the middle of the body and the tail, resulting in 5.4 feet length of Lancet III's wingspan. The electric-powered Switchblade 600 loitering munition utilizes a battery and propeller as its source of propulsion. Its design allows it to travel a distance of up to 25 miles within a duration of 20 minutes, after which it can remain in a loitering state for an additional 20 minutes. The maximum speed it can achieve while flying is 115 miles per hour. Similarly, the Lancet III has a target strike radius of 25 miles. It can reach an altitude of 3,280 feet and has a flight time of 40 minutes. It can remain stationed in a designated area for an additional 15 to 20 minutes, actively searching for suitable targets before engaging and destroying them. The Lancet III achieves a flight speed of 68 miles per hour, thanks to an electric motor and increased battery capacity. What sets the Lancet apart, however, is its distinctive characteristic of experiencing a significant speed increase during its descent towards the target, nearly tripling its velocity. This heightened speed allows the Lancet III to strike the tank's armor at an impressive rate of 186 miles per hour. With these exceptional capabilities, the Lancet drones can cover substantial distances, providing significant tactical advantages in a variety of operational scenarios. The Switchblade 600 incorporates advanced precision flight control and high-resolution EOIR gimbaled sensors, serving purposes such as navigation, surveillance, and targeting. Additionally, this drone is equipped with an ATGM warhead, modeled after the Javelin anti-tank missile, specifically designed to effectively disable armored vehicles. While the Switchblade possesses the capability to eliminate armored vehicles and self-propelled howitzers, the Lancet III can accomplish the same tasks while also being able to track and engage enemy UAVs. The Russian Lancet drone is equipped with 3 distinct types of warheads: cumulative, high explosive, and thermobaric. This wide range of warheads greatly enhances their engagement to a variety of targets such as armored vehicles and heavy tanks, artillery installations, radar systems, air defense units, and enemy personnel. The Switchblade 600 drone offers a comprehensive, portable solution encompassing all necessary elements for mission planning and execution with a quick setup time of under 10 minutes. The Switchblade 600 empowers soldiers with its swift and effortless deployment through a portable tube launcher and controlled remotely. This enables the drone to fly, track, and effectively engage non-line-of-sight targets and armored vehicles with lethal accuracy, without relying on external intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance or fire assets. It can also be configured for launch from a vehicle or slow-moving aircraft, allowing the engagement of high-value targets with deadly accuracy, even from a safe distance. Its fire control system operates via a user-friendly touchscreen tablet featuring tap-to-target guidance to seamlessly train, plan missions, and execute flight operations. The tablet-based FCS provides manual or autonomous control of the munition, secured by onboard encrypted data links and a selective availability anti-spoofing module GPS with patented wave-off capability. This versatile all-in-one solution empowers mission execution across diverse environments, including land, air, and sea. The Lancet III, on the other hand, is specifically designed to follow a predetermined path, remain in the vicinity, and subsequently attack a target. The Lancet III is equipped with an advanced electro-optical guidance system and an upgraded control system featuring improved software. The enhanced optics include a thermal imager, enabling the drone to operate effectively during both day and night. Control and flight adjustments are conducted through a television channel. Remarkably, the Lancet III doesn't rely on satellite navigation and possesses the capability to independently carry out reconnaissance and engage targets. The Lancet III utilizes a combination of GLONASS-assisted inertial navigation system to navigate towards its intended destination. These enhancements greatly contribute to achieving precise targeting as well as the accuracy and maneuverability of the Lancet. Once in the designated area, the operator employs an onboard electro-optical system, which is connected via a two-way data link to identify, track, and engage the target. The detonation of the warhead is then carefully managed through a laser ranging system. During the final stage of flight, control is taken over to ensure accuracy. The Lancet III is also equipped with anti-laser defense measures, video cameras, a gas analyzer, a warning system, a laser target designator, and a dosimeter. The Russian Lancet III is launched from a catapult, which is a simpler process compared to the American Switchblade 600 drones utilized by the Ukrainian armed forces, which require a specialized transport launch container, making their deployment in intense combat conditions more challenging. So, will the Ukrainian battlefield witness a captivating showdown between the Lancet and Switchblade? Who will be the final winner? Let's wait and see. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.